can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. I will love the light, for it shows me the way, yet I will endure the darkness because it shows me the stars. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storms, but to add colors to my sunset sky. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Keep your face always towards the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. Put your heart, mind and soul into even your smallest acts. This is the secret of success. I hated every minute of training, but I said don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Learning how to be still, to really be still and let life happen. A single sunbeam is enough to drive away many shadows. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. We must let go of the life we have planned so as to accept the one that is waiting for us. Two roads diverged in a wood and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.